In this video I'm going to work out an individual integral. We're going to take a look at the integral of x squared over 1 plus x squared dx. Alright, for the most part, since this is a rational function, probably the easiest way to approach this is just to go ahead and do long division to come up with an equivalent expression that's going to be a whole lot easier to integrate. Alright, so to do that I'm going to put the x squared on the inside, and I'm going to do and I'll probably even write it x squared plus 1 on the outside, switching that around just to make this long division a little bit easier here. Alright, x squared goes into x squared one time. 1 times that quantity will be x squared plus 1, and then of course I am subtracting that quantity. X squared minus x squared is going to fall out. That's going to leave me with a minus 1 as my remainder. Okay, so going counterclockwise around my long division is going to give me the expression that is equal to that original rational function. So I'm going to have 1 minus a 1 over, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it back the way we originally had it, 1 plus x squared. Okay, so that expression is equivalent to this original rational function. So I can rewrite it into two separate integrals. So we'll come up here and we will say we're doing the integral of 1 minus 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. I'll separate those into two individual integrals. So we'll have the integral of 1 dx minus the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. Integrating 1 with a dx on there lets this go to just a plain x. Then we'll have a minus, and then hopefully you've got this integral memorized as arctangent x. So I've got arctangent x and then plus c. So after doing that initial long division on that rational expression to come up with an equivalent expression that we can integrate more easily, it really turns out to be a straightforward integration. Definitely thanks for watching. Don't forget to share with your friends so that they can benefit too. And I'd like for you to subscribe to the channel too. Thanks.